Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, after months of looking, I have finally located some spoked wheels. I bought 5 motors in a row to pull the wheels off of them and wound up getting them all running. So finally was on eBay looking for parts, and a guy was selling a bag of wheels. 3 spoked and 4 Baldwin. 7 wheels total. Anyway, they got here today. So as you see, I have finally completed this old motor. This is an old pre-war motor, as you see. The contactors were worn completely through, so I repaired them with solder and just got the wheels pressed on, and this old motor is up and running. Now, I had to use a black nylon intermediate gear. I'm not crazy about these gears. I would much rather have an original, but that's all I had. So that's what I used. In any case, it's going to be the first run on the rail. Finally got this old motor put back together. Had Baldwin drivers on it, of course, because I simply could not find any spoked wheels. So finally found 3 of them online, and this is the result. It is up and running. It only took like 4 months to do this. You know, like I said, I bought 5 motors in a row to pull the wheels off of them and got them all running. So finally located some spoked wheels. So this old motor, as you see, it actually looks quite respectable. So its new wheels have been installed. Like I said, I didn't have an original gear, so I had to use one of the black nylon replacements. Like I said, I'm not crazy about those gears, but they work. At least it gets the motor running. So just wanted to do a quick video on this. Took a heap of looking, that's for sure. As you see, this old motor is up and running. So a pre-war motor resurrected from the dead, and I finally found some spoked wheels for it. As you see, they look actually new. They don't match, but pretty close. So 3 new ones and 1 that I had, and I had Baldwin wheels on this, if you remember when I put this together. Anyway, it is up and running. So I'll very likely drop this in a 999 shell or Canadian Pacific shell. So it has a working E-unit, pre-war. It has original new wheels on it. Like I said, it only took like 4 months to find them, but finally located some on eBay. 7 in a bag. 4 Baldwins and 3 spoked. Just got this thing put back together. Used one of Grossman's black nylon intermediate gears, and this old motor is up and running. Put a Menards bulb in it for now. So I'm quite pleased with this. It was nice to actually get this thing finished. Like I said, I bought 5 motors in a row to tear them apart, cannibalize them for parts, wound up getting all of them running. So it was nice to finally locate some spoked wheels. So this motor is up and running, as you see. Running on DC, of course, right now. Working E-unit. Had to fill the slots in the contactors with solder. They were worn all the way through. But it is complete, pre-war and running, and in really, really nice condition. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on this. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because something's junk when you get it, doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. It's far from perfect, but as you see, it is original, it is complete, and it is running. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.